Welcome back. In this video I will show you how to insert right arrow in Excel like this one. So in the first method you need to click on the insert and click on the symbols and click on the equations. An equation editor box will be open up. Put the backslash and type RIGHT right arrow and hit the space bar. It will instantly insert the right arrow symbol, so you can increase it, the size, and drag it to anywhere in the cells and point the total sales like this one. In another method you need to click on the insert and click on the illustrations and click on the shapes, and in the black block arrows you will see that right arrow. Just click it and drag it and point to the total sales. And here you can change the shape style to the black, white, whatever you want is. And here you can increase or decrease the size, and from the orange dot you can decrease the point arrow and increase the point arrow like this one. And here you can see the width of the arrow, increase or decrease as per your need like this one. Another method, if you just want to insert the right arrow, for this you need to hold down the Alt key and press 2-6 on the numeric set keypad and release the Alt key. This will instantly insert the right arrow. Moreover, there is another method. You need to put the formula to type unichar, open the bracket and type the character code 8594, close the bracket and hit enter, and here it is. If you want to combine the total sales with the right arrow, for this you need to put the equal sign and select the cells, hit the space, paste the ampersand space and type unichar and open the bracket and type code 8594 and close the bracket, hit enter, and it will merge with the total sales like this one, and you can drag it to the other rows to apply the formula. So if you use the right arrow frequently, then formula, go to the file, go to the more, click on the options and click on this proofing, go to the autocorrect option, and in the replace box you need to type the double dash and greater than sign, and in the with box you need to press the Alt plus 2-6 to paste the arrow symbol and click add, click OK and OK. So whenever you put the two dashes and greater than sign and hit the space bar, it will instantly convert to the arrow symbol. So I hope these are the pretty simple methods. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.